I'm a sender. I'm a sender.
You can never ever get the motion.
Well, I'm sure everyone who's present out here and who's married, they have all very amazing memories about their weddings. And similarly, mine is no different. It was just magical, you know, the fact that there was one thing that I decided that I will be my own wedding planner. And I decided that I will do everything myself. I think that's something that I would want to change, though I did it really well. Or, you know, I really did it like a professional. I wish I had that book.
Edition of the Great Indian Wedding Book.
एकदम सामने मैडम एकदम
Which provides you a glimpse into every genre and
Just right.
जी मैम
open the house for Come on guys, let's hear it for the team behind the Great Indian Wedding Book.
बहुत सारी memories है. I would love to repeat it every year actually, but it's too elaborate a function, you know, to do repeat again and again. But if we could, we would love to. But it's quite a lot of hard work. But because जो वक्त था, you know, those 2 days, it just, you know, flew by so fast. But they were so beautiful, and I only have pictures and videos, and definitely in my memory, all of it, you know, that it's so beautiful that I really want it to happen again and again. Absolutely. अभी मैंने कहा कि अगर ये book मेरे पास होती तो देखिए generally लोग you know wedding planners hire कर लेते हैं और छोड़ देते हैं you know different departments को उनका काम करने के लिए. पर मैंने पता नहीं क्यों ये you know challenge accept किया कि मैं खुद करूँगी. मैं हर कुछ means everything. तो क्या फूल लेना है, हाइड्रेंजिया का कॉस्ट क्या होता है, क्रिसेंथेमम का कॉस्ट क्या होता है. मीन्स आई वाज सिटिंग यू नो स्टेज का यू नो द साइजिंग कितना होगा, यू नो इट शुडंट कम इनटू माय पार्टी प्लेस, यू नो बट द बैंड शुड बी हैप्पी. सो आई वाज इनटू एवरीथिंग. आई कांट टेल यू दैट खाने में कितने बार कितनी सारी फूड टेस्टिंग मैंने की और कितने लोगों को खिलाया. दे वर माय फ्रेंड्स वर फेड अप ऑफ माय फूड टेस्टिंग्स. But you know we had fantastic food and an amazing wedding. Actually it's a step further because this film just happens once. You know it's like it's one of your epic films which will never repeat. So it's tough man. It's like every bit of it. Like film में होता है ना, you know art directors and this all of those different professionals basically one person becomes that. हम लोग बहुत alike हैं, you know we have very that's why we are like very close friends. हम लोग बहुत ही similar हैं. वो actually बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे से ज़्यादा बंगाली बन गया अभी. You know he wants भात every day. Give me भात. You know I don't eat भात every day. I eat it only once on my birthday. But he loves his भात. He's a strange Sardar. He doesn't want roti paratha. He wants भात. And what do I say? He speaks fluent Bengali. मुझे पंजाबी नहीं आती. कोशिश करता है मुझे सिखाने की, पर मैं थोड़ी पता नहीं, मैंने अभी तक सीखी नहीं है. समझ आता है पर वो बहुत अच्छी बंगला बोलता है. Well, no, Karan's doing his own film. He flies off now to London immediately right now, and I am figuring out something which is going to hopefully start this year. I'm never going to say this year because I have actually worked on this one very hard. So let's hope that it falls into place. Rocky is like my rock. मैं जब 16 साल की थी मैं तब से उन्हें पहचानती हूँ as a model. And he's been protective about me from my first shoot. पहले शूट में एक मॉडल ने मेरे से एक जूता छीन लिया था मेरा, जो रॉकी ने सब मॉडल्स को गिफ्ट कर दिया था एक जूता. At the end of the shoot, one model snatched it from me. And Rocky had come to my rescue at that time and said, please give her shoes back. And from that day to now, I don't, you know, even for my wedding, the party night, he had told me that you have worked so hard कि आज का दिन तुम enjoy करो, अब सारी responsibility मेरी है. And he really had actually looked after all my guests. So he is my true brother. मैं बहुत प्यार करती हूँ रॉकी से, and he's like that eternal rock for me. The years are special. Like life is special because every year we are advancing and we are going through life and we are grateful for it. We are grateful the fact that, you know, people fought for us and we are an independent country and we get to rejoice today. And I think we will never exactly know what the people who really fought for our independence, you know, felt. But we can just thank them and try and make our country a better place, be grateful, and in our own way do something for, you know, our surroundings, to make every day, you know, around, I say immediate surroundings, also around your house, neighborhood, locality, do your bit to make your country better. I think that is something that's how you show that you are grateful for the independence that you have today. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.